Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So I got a new crew in and we are pushing buttons. I don't know if it's going to see that, but it was a huge root down in there. So, got it. We're just going down for a double check. So, needless to say, there won't be any digging. Thank goodness. That shit's expensive. So, short and sweet, but got the water line down there. Got the camera in there. We got the big rig over here. This is huge. Try to keep these guys out of, they don't want it. And my drain cleaner's back there, a quarter of this size. I don't have good lighting. But, anyway, y'all get the gist of it. It's going to be expensive, but it's not going to be a hole in the ground, I tell you that. It's pulling back. He put the great big cutter on there, so he shaved all the roots, all the way down the lines, all the way through. Hey, that's me! Whoop whoop! I'm on another camera, on a camera. Alright. Now it's time to pay a bill for a set of finance. What have you. You gotta do it. Now I can shower, I can do laundry, I can do dishes. There's always something to do. Just one of the 32 projects I still have open. And you have a solar day.